Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 15 May 2018, 09 of hour, 44 of minute and 46 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you cook on a Duraflame log? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you cook on a Duraflame log. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about can you cook on a Duraflame log. The first fire logs specifically formulated for roasting and cooking, Duraflame campfire roasting logs are ideal to use in the backyard and the backwoods. These logs stack and burn like wood for a robust fire that creates hot, glowing coals safe for roasting marshmallows, hot dogs or cooking other campfire foods. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.